How to block emails from Reddit. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Reddit. And once you do that, click on the profile avatar or picture at the top right corner. Then click on settings at the bottom. And here, from the general section, click on account settings. And then scroll down to the contact settings. And from there, click on manage emails. And here, you will be able to turn off and stop the emails notifications that you will get from Reddit. You can turn some of them off while leaving the others on, or you can turn on the option at the bottom that says unsubscribe from all emails, which will disable and stop all of the emails that you will get from Reddit at once. So that was it for this video. That's how you can stop and disable the email notifications from Reddit. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next